Well, here's something that's really satisfying that people without snow just never get to experience. There you go. Easy snow removal. All right, well, good morning, Little Blues. We have got ourselves a little snowstorm again. Minnesota has not been real snowy. So, you know, it's a welcome change. I like the snow. I think I've told you that. As long as it's not like crazy windy, it's all good. We've got the animals waiting for some breakfast, so let's go check in on those guys. Well, who do we have right away but Mr. Melvin over here and Mr. Baby. Melvin, you are, I don't know, he's like his own little mini cow snow globe. I love that he just loves being out in the weather, and he is, I don't know, isn't he just the cutest thing with that snow on him? That guy's got a winter coat. Mr. Baby, you're not afraid to be outside either, are you? We got some sheep coming out, Tweety. We got Mr. Blaze. You gonna eat some snow, Mr. Blaze? Hey, little Thistle, you were hopping around yesterday. If you guys haven't seen Bo before eating his little snow, I don't know why you do that, Bo, but it's cuter than cute. You know, they've got the heated water 24/7. Who do we have back here? We got Miss Barbie. Good morning, Miss Barbie. You guys probably saw in the video, we just got her a couple days ago, not quite a week ago. Well, you can't eat the broom. Got a little scratching broom here. Well, good morning, Miss Blueberry. All right. Oh, we have our little matriarch, Miss Rain, telling me it's time for some breakfast. Do we need to get you some breakfast? You've been outside today, haven't you? You haven't been in the barn all day. You got your snow coat on. That is a good sign. They're nice and insulated when that snow doesn't melt. They stay dry. She's got a good winter coat going on. Babies are chirping at me. Turkeys are saying, we'll stay in the barn today. All right. Let's get you babies fed, right, Sonny? What else do we got in here? Sally, Oscar, you've been outside a little bit? Little Theta's down here, just chilling out. Got our goofy Mr. Snoopy and Dolly and Starry. Little L's up here. Hey, little L. All right, we're gonna get these guys their breakfast going. These pigs always let me know what's going on. Don't you, Wilma? You're always like, feed me. Miss Barbie's enjoying the snow. Yeah, are you playing? Are you playing? Got the turkeys all whipped up. She loves just running in the snow. Just awesome powder right now. Barbie's been hanging around the Pacas quite a bit. She's never been around them before, but I think they're kind of becoming buddies, which is good. She's really getting used to kind of the whole herd, and she is sweet as pie. She's going to be a lot of fun. Bo, I don't know. I think Bo likes her too. Do you like Mr. Bo, huh, Barbie? Yeah. Mr. Baby would like to like her a little more, but she's kind of been giving him the cold shoulder. So I don't know. She's thinking these Pacas are kind of cool. Let's check on that auto water, even though it's under the snow. We still have nice, warm, heated water for them. We'll get this cleaned off. Let's check on the big horses. Just over the other fence. Got Blueberry and Braga sharing a hay bag. And Miss Cavallo back there. They've got a good coat of snow on them too. Horses are funny. You know, of course, they got the barn they can run into anytime. But when they get that nice winter coat on, they don't mind. It's not windy today. Snow is going to come down for another hour, but who knows? Maybe we'll get some sunshine here later. I'm hoping so. We'll do a little check-in on Goldie and Cinnamon. Good morning, ladies. You're probably just going to hang out today, aren't you? Not big fans of the snow. Yeah, we got a little food and water in here, and underneath they've got their food. They'll be okay today. I don't know why Ernie and Bert are so whipped up here. What's up, guys? Bert, are you just full of gobbles today, huh? Full of gobbles? Of course, now they won't gobble. Yeah, Melvin. Sunny and Starry are always such big helpers when it comes to getting the hay, putting the hay nets here. All right, Ohana, Oscar, you guys ready? Releasing the animals. Come on, guys. Okay, everyone is out. Everyone is got their breakfast. One of my favorite times is just hanging in the barn in the evening or in the morning. Right now it's the morning, but just getting this, getting the hay out. Everybody's enjoying their hay. Maybe a little head bump here and there. Ernie, you're just showing off nicely there. I'm impressed. He's like the guy on the beach flexing the muscles. Well, we got a few brave souls out here. I don't know why. There's nothing out here for you, Blueberry. Thistle, are you taking after Bo and eating some snow? Little snow-faced girl. Yeah, the animals are continuing to enjoy a little bark off of the trees. Right, Charlie Brown? Little Theta. Are you getting those last little bits of needles on these pine trees? They just strip them down, guys. But it's all good for them. All right, well, Elfie looks like he's ready to go in the house. Aren't you, buddy? You gonna put your rocket blaster on? Elfie, hold on. You gotta wait for me. Hold on. All right, go. He's a little faster than me. All right, well, thanks again, guys, for enjoying a little Saturday morning snowstorm at the farm. We'll catch you guys next time.